What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. I'm here to save my boy right here. He got pushed back pretty bad, so we're gonna fix him up, right? So what I'm doing here to preserve as much hair, I'm going for where the fullest hair is. I'm just lining that all up with my pencil so I could clearly see where I'm going to be lining up, so I'm not going to push him back anymore. Alright, you could really see the pushback. It's about 2 fingers width of growth. So I went ahead and put the whole borders in there, and now I'm going to go ahead and just line them up and getting as crispy as I can without pushing back, just cutting the excess hairs that hang over so you could have a nice shape up. Now we're just going to go in with our razor, get it nice and sharp. Now to begin the saving, I'm going to go ahead and use my 245 hair dye, and what this is going to do is enhance the lineup so it's all nice and dark and crispy, and you can't see the difference between the pushback and what the new line is. And the reason why I'm doing it this way compared to, say, fading out that second line and making it all one line and then creating a sharp line is he likes his edge ups really dark, and unfortunately he had prom this weekend, so he wanted to preserve that and he didn't want me to go ahead and fade that all out. So I went ahead and with the enhancements and colored it in, dyed it so that he'll still have those dark edges and it'll last him a couple days. So then those next 2-3 days the hair will slowly grow back and then it'll look like one full lineup. So then the next time when he comes back to me, I'll have a fresh lineup and it'll be nice and natural. I don't even have to put any enhancement in there. But as you guys can tell, it's coming out super sharp. Lineup's looking nice and full now, and no pushbacks here, baby. We don't push nobody back. Now we're just gonna go back over with our trimmers, and like again, I'm using my Gamma trimmers. Links will be down below. But I'm just going back over, edging everything up, getting it nice and crispy so he's ready for his day. And make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't. Make sure to hit the like button if you guys haven't for this save. I really appreciate you guys. So YouTube, look how he came in before, about 2-3 fingers worth of pushback, and boom, saved my boy. Now he's ready for prom. He's looking good. That's the cut, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I got a lot of new content coming out. I got a new camera, so I'm excited for you guys to see that content once I drop it soon. All right, see you guys.